Going on, my dudes, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be real quick. I'm going to try and do a quick tip video like every Tuesday or something for y'all, just something that I think would help that I figured out along the way. So today we're talking about epoxy brushes. Now, I know some people use expensive brushes that you can get, like $8 brushes, and they just clean them out with like acetone or rubbing alcohol, which I've done and it works. I epoxy a lot of baits and I usually do them consecutively, so I'm epoxying 60 baits, 3 coats in one day, so I don't take any breaks, just mixing and painting the epoxy on. And these Harbor Freight brushes that I use, and a lot of you probably use, one problem everybody gets with these is the little bristles coming off on your bait. So I have figured out a way along the way to prevent that from happening, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so basically what I do is, it's pretty simple. First thing I do is I take a pair of pliers, whatever, vice grips, and I pinch it. They do, in the factory, pinch these and give them a pinch to keep them from coming out. They don't do a great job. So I do that first off to try and secure the bristles a little more. Secondly, take a piece of painter's tape, little thin stuff like this, put it like this. I just overlap it tiny little bit, and then I take my super glue and I go over top of the bristles. Then I just simply wrap the tape around, obviously, basically putting enough super glue in there to glue the base of the bristles all together, and then the tape just kind of helps secure everything. And then I let them sit. I usually do like 10 of these at a time when I'm taping and gluing them. Sit them down and let the super glue set up and whatnot, and I rarely have bristles come off. I do obviously still work the bristles, so anything that is loose and up in the top section already and didn't get glued comes out, so I don't have to worry about it getting on to my bait then when I'm epoxying. But I have found that it works really well and it prevents me from getting bristles all over my brush. So hope this helps, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Peace. Oh, and if you guys don't subscribe and like this video, you'll be cursed with 8 months with no fish. Subscribe, like it, stay tuned. See you boys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.